What is going on, everybody? Noble here with you guys today. In today's video, it's going to be really quick. I just want to show you guys how to redeem codes for games on Google Stadia. Now, I've done this in the past for Steam as well as Xbox and PlayStation, and I actually just got a code for a brand new game that came out to the Stadia called Spitlings. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. In order to go ahead and redeem the codes, I think you can actually do it on your phone as well, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this on PC. All you got to do is obviously be signed into your Stadia account, click onto your account, which is your icon here on the top right, and then head on over to your Stadia settings. Now from there, redeem code, and then you just go ahead and put in your code. I'm going to redeem mine right now and redeem it. And let's see what comes up. Confirmed redemption. Spitlings will be redeemed and added to your account. By clicking redeem, you agree to the promotional terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. So that is the way that you go ahead and redeem codes over on Stadia. We're going to go ahead and redeem it. Make sure it shows up onto our account. So in order to go back, you just got to click on home. And we've got it right here. I love how quick it shows up. That's one of my favorite things about the Stadia. Once you buy a game, it just shows up instantly and you're ready to play. So I'm going to be doing a stream on this. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.